Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's June the 21st and that can mean only one thing. It's time for CMC's Longest Day Ride 2026. Now, this is a highlight ride of the year for me and it's the reason I come back year after year. We've got a full day's riding planned, around 6 hours I believe. We're going to take a nice scenic trip all around the Peak District and taking a few stops. So, if you want to come along for the ride, jump on the pillion seat, I'll take you all for a ride.
Is longest. Watch out! Yeah, welcome to CMC's Longest Day Ride out for 2026. And then thank you for support. It is really appreciated. When we do things like this, never quite know how many are going to turn up. We put it on. We've advertised it on Facebook and in-store, and I think last night it said about 128 people would definitely come in, and 1,300 were interested. which scared the living daylights out of me, to be honest. So I had a quick add up, and there were over 150 bikes, and there's still people turning up now.
So here we go then. It's time to start the engines and hit the road for the Longest Day Ride 2026. As always, if you managed to spot yourself on the video, drop a comment below and let me know what you were riding. There should be some roadside footage of everybody up on the Cat and Fiddle and on the A54. So we're pulling into the Bentley Brooking now for the first regroup point. It's about 150 of us so far, we've all stayed together virtually. So it's time to grab a drink, have a little break, and then we'll make our way off for the second part of the ride. So we're approaching the second stop now at Hassup station. The marshals are doing an absolutely superb job as always. I don't know how they do it, but they've managed to keep 150 bikes practically together so far, so they're doing a superb job. We're going to pull in now, have a little rest break, and then we'll jump on with the next part of the ride. So we made it to the top of the Cat and Fiddle. It's a little bit windy up here, but everybody's together. There's a huge line of bikes all the way down past the Cat and Fiddle pub. Just going to have a quick break here, and then we're going to make our way down through Macclesfield and then over the A54, back down towards Buxton and then on to Matlock eventually. But as usual, an absolutely cracking ride, a great atmosphere, and CMC have done everybody proud today. This has been a great day out. So off we go again then, south from the Cat and Fiddle. A nice big group of 150 of us to enjoy the late afternoon sun on the longest day 2026. As I said before, the marshals do an absolutely amazing job on this. They really are the best, second to none. So I think, as we've got all of them in front of us there, it's a big thank you from me for putting this event on each year, doing such a great job of making it so enjoyable. Nobody organises a ride out quite like CMC. I'm going to be doing a full review of this bike and it'll be on the channel in the next couple of weeks, so if you're interested to hear my thoughts on the bike, stick around and stay tuned to the channel for that. Well, we're coming up to the end of the ride now. It's been a very full and exciting day. Great atmosphere, as I said earlier on. The weather's played ball. And as I said earlier as well, CMC have done an amazing job with the marshals, keeping us all together. I really don't know how they've managed to do that today, to be honest. So, if you managed to spot yourself in the video, drop a comment below and let us know what you were riding and what your thoughts were to the ride. I hope you've all enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, hype, comment and subscribe below. Remember to keep it shiny side up, and I'll see you all in the next one.